Hi, this is Stacy from Porta1. PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 127 is now available. It allows you to control and monetize any custom service features within your products, deliver calls to cloud contact centers, PBXs, and VoIP gateways that only support SIP over TLS, offer corporate phone books self-provisioning for more IP phone models, and more. Let's take a look. You can now define custom service features such as parental control or custom ringback tone and manage them at the product level, even if they are delivered by third-party system and not covered by standard PortaBilling service settings. They can be included in the main product or offered as paid add-ons. You can also sell them as a standalone value-added services, for example, by automatically enabling or disabling subscribers' access to premium video streaming, paid apps, or other partner-delivered services. When a product is assigned, modified, or cancelled, the related service configuration, including custom features parameters, is updated automatically for the subscriber. Middleware retrieves these parameters via API and applies the changes in the external system. This may include activating or deactivating a service, adjusting limits, and updating service settings. For example, an MVNO or mobile introduces a custom ringback tone add-on priced at $2 per month for its voice service. The service itself is delivered by an external platform installed alongside their mobile network core. The admin defines a custom service setting called custom ringback tone with two values, enabled and disabled. The setting is included in the add-on product. When the add-on is assigned to a subscriber via USSD, self-care app, customer support, or even an AI sales agent, the $2 fee is applied automatically, and PortaBilling generates a provisioning event that triggers activation of the feature in the mobile core and ringtone platform. This gives you a new monetization options and centralized control. Define custom features at once at a product level and provision them automatically to external systems without manual subscriber level configuration. Modern AI-powered contact centers, cloud PBXs, and some vendor gateways accept calls only over a SIP secured with TLS. Transport layer security with MR127 SIP over TLS support is extended beyond basic calls to and from IP phones and soft phones. It now also applies to forwarded and transferred calls, calls delivered to a static SIP contact, and calls routed to vendor VoIP gateways. This ensures compatibility with cloud platforms that only support SIP over TLS. For example, a BC company wants all incoming calls handled by an AI-powered contact center Genesis Cloud that requires SIP over TLS. The All Telecom admin uploads TLS certificates to PortaSwitch and enables TLS call delivery for ABC's account. Cloud PBX customers can now self-provision corporate phone books to multiple IP phones at once on additional Polycom and Yealink models. Phone books can be generated automatically from existing extensions or customized by adding numbers manually or uploading them from a file. This feature is available in the Cloud PBX Self-Care portal, or you can implement it in your own portal using the PortaBilling API. To enable provisioning of corporate phone books, activate the free Polycom or Yealink module in the Add-on Mod Management portal. Some modern Cisco gateways no longer support link control protocol or LSP parameters during Internet session authorization. When these parameters are sent, the gateway may reject the authorization request or apply service rules incorrectly. Previously, PortaBilling always sent LSP parameters. That worked for older models, where LSP was used to enforce rules such as speed limits. Now, admins can disable LSP parameters for modern Cisco gateways and define speed limits using the attribute value pairs supported by current Cisco equipment. Existing configurations for older gateways continue to work as before. This ensures reliable internet session authorization for both modern and legacy Cisco equipment. Previously, only outgoing or net calls were visible on the Active Sessions page. With MR127, incoming on-net calls can also be displayed as separate records, providing a complete view of on-net traffic per account. For example, a service provider offers SIP trunking with a limit on incoming simultaneous calls. During the peak hours, the admin filters the Active Sessions page by the customer's SIP trunk account and sees all the active incoming calls routed to the SIP trunk, including calls from other old telecom customers that are consuming trunk capacity. MR127 also introduces interface improvements across several pages. During service policy creation, all settings are now available and organized into tabs. This means the entire policy can be configured in one step without reopening it later. Default values in the service policy are clearly marked as auto-default, making it easier to see which settings were modified and reducing the risk on configuration errors. Such parameters are aligned in a single row at the top, and standard action buttons provide a consistent layout across the PortaBilling interface. On the custom data and service pages, such parameters have been moved from the left side panel to a single row at the top of the screen, improving the visibility. The audit log panel has been redesigned as well. The audit log button is now placed in the top bar instead of being hidden in entity-specific menus, so audit information is easier to access. When the panel is open, the current page remains visible, and the search filters and results appear in a single view. Overall, these updates reduce errors and help admins find the information they need faster, with fewer clicks. These are the main highlights for MR127. For the full list, check the link in the description for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next release!